What's up, viewers? It's your boy Clean Car Chris coming at you again with another quick product review all about Yum's Undress tire and rubber cleaner. Let's get it. First up, let me shout out Christy from the House of Rags. She sent me some Yum products along with some others I'm going to do reviews on in the future. But you don't know, guys, today is all about the Yum Undress. Check out these tires here. You see all this nasty brown, all the road grime, all the old dressing. We're going to test this product out and see how it does, knocking down these tire walls. Let's get it. All right, real quick, guys, on the back it says here, Yum Undress has been specifically designed from the ground up to clean tires and rubber components on the vehicle. So, like I said, perfect to knock down tire walls. It also has a quick mention here that's also good to use in engine bays. Today we're not going to do the engine bay, but we're going to do a demo and see how it performs knocking down these tires. As you can see, these tires have been neglected for some time. If you look along here, there's a lot of brown. This definitely needs a good cleaning. So we're gonna knock it down with the Undress and get it ready for some nice tire shine. I mean, not rocket science here, quick demo, guys. It just says to pretty much spray liberally on the area you want to clean. In this instance, it's the tire wall. So, all right, first impressions. Guys, it's the first time I'm using this product. It goes on nice, it kind of clings on to the tire wall and I'm ready. You know, just a few seconds in, I can see the brown, which indicates that the chemical is doing its job, breaking down all that grime, all that old tire dressing. So it says to let it dwell for a little bit. It says up to 15 seconds, so we've definitely passed 15 seconds now, so let's go ahead and agitate. Yeah, man, as I'm agitating, I definitely see, you know, more of that brown coming out. Okay, that was a pretty easy rinse. Definitely easy to rinse the product off the tire wall. Just by looking at it now, I can tell it's a lot cleaner, right? But we're gonna spray it again and you're gonna know that it's fully clean if the product just remains white. You know, if it turns brown again, then that will indicate that there's some more grime that we need to knock down. I see it a little bit light brown, but then again, you know, these tire walls were pretty dirty. So let's agitate one more time. Let's do the brush again. Yeah, guys, I always want to keep your brushes nice and clean. So let's go ahead and rinse off. All right, we're gonna repeat the process again, guys, because we want to see that foam just remain white and not brown. That way we know we've knocked the tire down completely. Just let it sit for a minute. Not a minute, it says 15 seconds. Yeah, this time around I'm noticing less brown, a little bit of brown still, but a lot less. All right, let's go ahead one more time. So the tire them dirty? Hey, bro? All right, I'm noticing a lot of brown still, guys. So we're gonna knock it down. We're gonna rinse it off and check again. So that was 3 times, right? I agitated this tire 3 times, applied the product, and it does say on the instructions, repeat the process until the foam turns white, indicating that the tire is perfectly clean. All right, so that was 3 times, guys. Let's try again. All right, so this is the 4th time. All right, guys, we've done it 4 times now, and each time I've seen pretty much a lot of brown. So I don't know, I'm wondering if this tire was just super dirty and hasn't been cleaned in a very long time and had like one of those old, thick, nasty, cheap tire dressings on there for a minute. Not for a minute, but for a long time, you know what I'm saying. Or I'm wondering if the chemical itself is really like hitting hard, you know what I'm saying? So anyhow, this is the 5th time I'm gonna go over this tire. So let's see if we get, if the chemical will remain white or turn brown still. Let's see. All right, it's looking a lot. Yeah, it's looking pretty white now. I think we should be good on this round. 5th round, guys. All right, let's agitate. All right, we're looking a lot more white, not too much brown anymore. So let's rinse. All right, so I'm gonna dry off the tire wall and let's inspect. Yeah, the tire wall is definitely looking a lot cleaner. It's looking almost like, you know, it's knocked down completely pretty much at this point. It's looking like, you know, that factory finish. So that's awesome. All right, guys, there you have it. A quick product review on the Yum. Thoughts? I was impressed with the chemical reaction. It did turn brown. However, I did not expect me to have to knock down this tire 5 times for it to be, you know, completely stripped down. But I'm wondering if it's something to do with the strength of the product, or because I am actually using it full strength, I'm not using it diluted, or it was just that the tire itself was really dirty, really neglected for a long period of time and had like a old thick layer of some cheap nasty tire dressing. So, you know, after 5 tries, it's knocked down now, so it's ready for some good tire shine. Anyhow, I'll still experiment using this product. Again, shout out everybody at Yum. Shout out Christy from the House of Rags. You don't know, guys, another quick product review by your boy Clean Car Chris. Every Wednesday, 4 p.m. we got hot content. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. That is it. We out.